Saint Isaac Fortress Cathedral. Good morning guys, BG Sala here. We are still here in Saint Petersburg, Russia, and now we're going to the Palace Square, the Winter Palace, and everything else. Most of the attractions are next to each other here in Nevsky Prospect area, so we're just gonna walk around and take some videos and photos. Right. It's actually already 9 o'clock in the morning and it's very dark.
Snow. Woo, woo.
This is Saint Isaac Fortress Cathedral. And it's actually snowing. Woo, it's our first time to experience snowfall. Woo, yeah. What's up everyone, BG Sala here. If you want to see more of my music and my travel videos, click here to subscribe.